tayo ng cabbage with peas, oil, cumin seed, and then after that I will put the ginger, chili. Okay, it's slow fire. And then we put the cabbage. Okay guys, stir slowly, and we put some peas. Okay guys, we cover for a while. We have to add some turmeric, chili powder, and coriander powder, garam masala, and a little bit of sugar and salt. Okay guys, I have put a bit of lemon juice because I've cooked already, and a little bit of garam masala. Now I have put coriander leaves. Yes, and then I make roti for lunch. Done. Now I switch off. Okay guys, that's all. I'll put the recipe on the description guys. I hope you like it. This is my first time to talk on to put online. Thank you for watching guys.